Hello, little artists! Today, let's explore the wonderful world of clay and pottery. Clay is special earth. It comes from the ground, often near water sources. It feels soft and squishy, perfect for shaping into anything you can imagine. There are many kinds. Earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain are a few. Miners dig clay from pits. Then it's cleaned to remove rocks and dirt. Sometimes water is added to make it soft and workable, ready for artists. You can use your hands to pinch, coil, or slab clay into different forms. Pinch pots are easy. Just pinch and shape a ball of clay. Coil pots are made by rolling long snakes of clay and stacking them. Slab building uses flat sheets. Cut and join them to make boxes or houses. The pottery wheel spins clay fast, helping artists create perfect circles. It's tricky at first. You must keep your hands steady and focused. Watch how a tall vase or bowl magically appears as it spins. After shaping, clay must dry slowly. This removes all the water. Then it's fired in a very hot oven called a kiln. It becomes hard like rock. The heat makes the clay strong and durable. It won't crumble anymore. After firing, we can decorate. Glaze adds color and a shiny finish. Glaze is like special paint. It melts and turns into glass in the kiln. Some artists carve patterns into clay before drying, called sgraffito. You can also add textures using stamps or natural objects like leaves. Pottery is everywhere. We eat from clay bowls and drink from clay mugs. Clay also makes bricks for houses and beautiful tiles for floors. From ancient times to today, clay helps us create and build amazing things. Today we learned how clay transforms from earth into amazing art and useful objects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.